Welcome to our grooming showdown. Today, we are comparing two impressive products: the Wahl USA Pro Series High Visibility Skeleton Trimmer and the SHPAVVER 16-in-1 Grooming Kit. Both of these tools promise to elevate your grooming game, but they cater to different needs. The Wahl trimmer is designed for precision and visibility, while the SHPAVVER offers versatility with its extensive kit. Let's dive into their features and see which one comes out on top. The Wahl Pro Series trimmer features a skeleton design that allows for 360-degree visibility, making it ideal for precise edging and detailing. In contrast, the SHPAVVER 16-in-1 Grooming Kit emphasizes versatility with multiple attachments and speed settings, catering to a wider range of grooming tasks. While the Wahl excels in precision, the SHPAVVER offers a comprehensive solution for various grooming needs. The Wahl trimmer boasts a near-zero gap blade for extremely close cuts, providing barbershop-quality results. It also offers up to 120 minutes of runtime on a full charge. On the other hand, the SHPAVVER trimmer features 3 adjustable speed settings, allowing users to customize their grooming experience based on hair thickness. However, its runtime is less clear, suggesting it may not last as long as the Wahl. The Wahl Pro Series trimmer comes at a premium price of $149, reflecting its high-quality materials and precision features. Meanwhile, the SHPAVVER 16-in-1 kit is priced at $99, making it a more budget-friendly option for those seeking versatility without breaking the bank. Ultimately, your choice will depend on whether you prioritize precision or value. In conclusion, both the Wahl Pro Series High Visibility Skeleton Trimmer and the SHPAVVER 16-in-1 Grooming Kit offer unique advantages. If you are looking for precision and professional-grade performance, the Wahl is the clear choice. However, if versatility and value are what you seek, the SHPAVVER provides an excellent all-in-one solution. Let us know in the comments which trimmer you would choose, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more grooming comparisons.